Escambia, inland Santa Rosa, coastal Santa Rosa, inland Okaloosa. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for Santa Rosa County in northwest Florida until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles southeast of Baghdad, or 2 miles northeast of Holly, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Whitfield, Whitingfield, Rowville, Point Baker, Holly, Milton, Baghdad. This includes Interstate 10 between mile markers 24 and 41. Take cover now. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday evening for southwestern Alabama and northwest Florida and southeast Mississippi. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Santa Rosa County, Florida.